In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste images into Microsoft Word. If you have an image that you want to use in a Microsoft Word document, you can quickly copy and paste it directly into your document. This is a simple way to add pictures without having to recreate or manually insert the image again. To begin, locate the image that you want to copy. This could be an image from another document, a web page, or another location where you can select and copy the picture. Once you've found the image, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select the Copy option. This will copy the image so you can place it into your Microsoft Word document. After copying the image, open your Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor in the location where you want the image to appear. Now, right-click in the document where you want to place the image. From the menu that appears, look for the Paste option and select it. Microsoft Word will paste the copied image into your document at the location of your cursor. Depending on the image and the document, the picture may appear at its original size or at a size that fits within the document. Once the image has been pasted, you can select it if you need to adjust its position or size within the document. This allows you to arrange the image so it fits properly with the surrounding text and other content. The copy and paste method is useful when you already have an image available and simply want to move it into your Word document. Instead of going through additional menus, you can copy the image from its original location and paste it directly where you need it. Keep in mind that the exact right-click options can vary depending on where the image comes from. However, as long as the image can be copied, you can use the copy and paste commands to transfer it into Microsoft Word. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to make the process quicker. After selecting the image, use Ctrl-C to copy it, then place your cursor in Microsoft Word and use Ctrl-V to paste it. This provides a quick and convenient way to add images to your Word documents while you're working on reports, assignments, tutorials, or other projects. And that's how you can copy and paste images into Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel.